Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Career. In today's video, I'll try to do the 8K video of features and reviews in the Mi11 device. As you can see friends, the Mi11 has got 108 megapixel camera lens and which can actually record 8K video recording possible. And in this video, I'll try to talk about what will be the size. So that is one more question which was asked by a lot of users, that what will be the size of the 8K video if you try to record. So in this video, I'll try to show you friends all the things about the 8K video related, and in case if you want any other further videos on this Mi11, so make sure to check the links in description. So let's begin the 8K video recording by going to the camera applications. So if you go to the video, you can find the 8K video. So you can record up to 24 fps and the 30 fps. So right now I did record the video using that 30 frames per second recording. So let me try to quickly show you friends. So this is a video which I try to record it. So this is a complete video is recorded using the 8K recording only. So let me try to show you. So in the 8K video, one of the advantage is that you can always see on the top what type of video it is. So it's a 8K video. So in the 8K video, you can actually zoom in inside the video as well. So you'll get the HD kind of recording whenever you try to zoom in. So this is a very biggest advantage. So whenever you pause the video, you can actually get very good detailed shots in every moment you pause. So that's the biggest feature where you got here friends, as you can see. So whenever you try to pause, you can actually zoom inside more clearly and you can see actual footage very much clear. So that's the biggest advantage of this 8K video recording. So but the size also matters. So 8K video takes a lot of size. So let me try to quickly show you what is the size of this video overall, so you know exactly. So going to the details, the size of the video is about 418 MB. So the clip is only 26 seconds, as you can see. So overall friends, for 30 seconds video clip, the 500 MB of the video can be there. So for 1 GB, for 1 minute, it takes 1 GB of size. So for 1 minute of 8K video recording, it captures 1 GB of size friends. So in this way, you will get a clear idea. If you record 10 minutes of 8K video footage, it takes up to 10 GB of space. That's a lot of space for one 8K video recording. So whenever you want to do the 8K video recording, better try to keep it very small, as short as possible. So let me try to show you another quick 8K video recording sample as well. So this is another 8K video moment which I got recorded. So let me try to play the video here. So this is a 8K video which I recorded, as you can see friends. So which looks completely great in this kind of shots. You can zoom into the video and you can capture at any given moment. So you'll get a very detailed video clarity here if you try to zoom in, as you can see friends. So this is the best advantage of using the 8K video footage in this Mi11 device. As a future-proof option, you will get to know how is the 8K footage. So it was pretty good friends, but only the problem is with the size. So this is one thing you need to know before recording with the 8K video sample. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Thanks. Bye.